Good morning world, it's 9 o'clock at morning and today I'm going to Genting Highlands. The most convenient way to get to Genting Highlands is catch the bus from KL Central. So let's go! I just arrived to Genting Highlands by bus like this. It's rainy, however, this Genting Highlands, most of the things are inside. And now I have to take a cable car to going up. So to get to the Genting Highlands, you have to take a cable car or Skyway. This is the counter. Also here is the self-service ticketing. However, mine is different because I have including the fare of the bus. Alright, I'm in, so actually my bus ticket was included the cable car all for 23 ringgit. This is the cable car entrance, looks pretty decent. I think there is not many people yet, that's also good. Maybe I'm gonna go by myself. And I'm inside the cable car, so when you're traveling right now, there is definitely some pros. I can be alone in the cable car. Unfortunately, the weather is today really not so very rainy and a little bit cold, like I was thinking to buy a jacket. To be honest, I was thinking really to buy a jacket. I can still buy it maybe later on. However, I paid for the bus fare from Kuala Lumpur to come to here, including the cable car, using the Red Bus app and paying online, and all of together cost me $5 American. And I have to do it the same on the return. However, I don't know what time I'm gonna come back because I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me. But it's very easy, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the view from the cable car. It's so cool, actually, so cool to be here. Last time when I was here it was 2018, and in 2018 it was full packed. I was sitting like this, you know, because there's so many people and the long queues, but now you can chill. Alright, just arrived and I'm gonna tell you it's the little bit chill weather, like I'm not gonna say it's cold, I'm European, but it's chill weather. And in general this is like a huge amusement park and the little city. There are many hotels, resorts, restaurants, malls and stuff like this. Let's see what we can find here today. The fourth floor, restaurants, bars, Awana Skyway, then the shops, more shops, Sky VR, interesting food. So starting from the fourth floor, we have here like a special area with so many fancy bars and restaurants. That's maybe actually bar weather, some people would say. You can find the sports bars, any kind of bars. It's just 12, 15. Wherever you're gonna go, there is the huge mall with the many shops and many cafes everywhere around. And another wing of the mall, even more and more fancier. More deep you go, it's more fancier. Yeah, even some cars you can buy over there or win maybe. There's some amusement park or something. I'm gonna have Skytropolis. So here is the indoor theme park. There's also somewhere outdoors, so many like billboards and everything. And of course these cars, and there's the casino. So few informations about this place. It's called Genting Highland, and just in general there is the huge amusement park, theme park, and there's so many malls, shops, indoors in the mountains, about 1,800 meters above sea level. So you have to come here by the cable car. You can find the similar theme parks, amusement parks anywhere in Asia, in other Asian countries. However, I think this one is the oldest one because it started from 1963, if I'm not mistaken, by one of Chinese investors. Also, this is the only one place in Malaysia where you can find the casino, which is totally legal. Indoor amusement park, indoor theme park, actually, very busy. I could say already at 1 o'clock during daytime. I'm not sure actually if it's already free access. I think it's free access, public access at least here. In case if you wanna pay this, for sure have to buy some tickets. But actually at the same time I just realized that most of the attractions are just simply closed here. I'm not sure if it's not time yet. I think they're just closed. Maybe they are still not that busy actually it is supposed to be. Alright, going now to the Skywars theme park. So the entrance fee ticket to the theme park, it's cost you 151 ringgit, which is about $35. However, the weather today is really not that best. It's rainy. everywhere around also you can find the hotels. Some people coming here for staying in the hotels like this one. It's similar a little bit, like I said, to different countries, whereas the parks like this, most of the Asian countries have it. Actually, it's getting ready to be rainy. I have to get a shelter somewhere. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna visit this Genting Skyward Park today, just because of the weather, especially as most of the things is outside. However, yeah, that's how it is. You have a point of view what to expect here. Everywhere will be amusement park, similarly to this one what you saw inside. Very nice Japanese restaurant with the artist playing on the instrument. Very nice indeed. You can find so many fancy places over here, that's for sure. Alright, pretty that's it. That's how it looks, the situation in Genting Highlands, deep inside. You know what to expect, you know how to enjoy the time. I was also playing in the casino a little bit, just for fun, guys. However, I won like 200 ringgits, like $50 or something. So I have a now special budget for spending in these lovely bars over here. I'm just gonna have a lunch before I'm gonna back to KL. Well, I think it's so many nice selection of the European looking bars. I think this place is like totally international anyway. So the large cod fish and chip, but from the cod arrive, of course, and that's how it looks around the surroundings. Actually pretty many people, like for Asian country where Western restaurant is very busy, and the nice decor. Alright, and I'm already down there in the bus station. Unfortunately, I'm late 5 minutes for my bus. So stupid. There was the long queue going down and I just late. But it's okay, no worries. I just have to wait 1 hour for another bus, and the new ticket costs only $2.50 one way going back to here. So it's no big deal, just, you know, I was a little bit in rush. Anyway, the view from the cable car was much better right now, so I hope so you enjoy a little bit of the views. And meanwhile, not so many buses, but quite many people. Maybe they're driving by car or something like that, right? Yeah, that's how it looks like. So you can buy online, how I always buying, but emergency one I can buy in the kiosk. And it's cost you 10 ringgit, which is like 2.50 at 4.30, supposed to be like that. Very easy, it's in English, everything, so you can easily make it. And in case if you are late like me for a bus, suddenly sometimes may happen, there are other kind of restaurants and shopping, so you have always opportunity to spend more money if you want. Mall actually have 2 wings, so it's a lot of to discover if you would like to shopping or dining again. However, I'm just after my dinner, so 1 hour gonna be quickly. Maybe I'm gonna get a coffee. Anyways, the weather here is a little bit chill. Depend of the weather. Was sunny, was alright, but there is already cloudy and definitely it's gonna be rainy or something. So the weather I compare to the like early June, the similar weather, the feeling is like in UK summer. If you ever been or living there, you should know it. It's something like 20 degrees. It's alright, however, it may be cool for some of you, so prepare the jacket just in case, guys. Alright, guys, in case if you are worried about me, my bus just arrived. I'm not gonna be late again. I hope so. No, I'm going now. I just come back to Kuala Lumpur. I'm gonna go home a little bit tired. However, the Genting Highlands is great for a one-day trip. Seems like actually many people, if they have a day off, going there just for relax. Well, you can comment below what do you think about this one, and I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care, guys.